Healthcare facilities have some of the most rigorous lighting requirements of any setting. Doctors, nurses, and technicians must have bright light with superior color rendering to support more accurate skin and wound care assessment, while patients and families require soft, low-glare lighting to foster restful treatment and recovery. When Raleigh Orthopedic Clinic, one of the largest orthopedic practices in Raleigh, North Carolina, built their state-of-the-art headquarters and surgery center, it was important that patrons and staff view the facility as cutting edge. In selecting the lighting, Raleigh Orthopedic turned to the company who redefines LED lighting, Cree.
Well, as a physician and surgeon, I really depend on my senses, my ability to see and feel and listen to the patient to understand what's going on, so it's essential to have proper lighting. The reason we selected Cree is because they're recognized as the leader in LED lighting.
We decided to choose Cree because it gave us the best product for the value that we wanted. They also provided a good timetable and were able to meet our delivery schedules, and that was very important to us since we were on a fast construction timeline.
Raleigh Orthopedic Clinic chose Cree's CR22 and CR24 LED troughers to provide general illumination throughout the building. Powered by Cree True White technology, the Cree LED troughers provide increased light levels with uniform distribution, high color performance, and dimming, promoting better visibility in diagnostic and clinic areas.
Having high quality lighting makes it easier for everyone to do their job. It makes our jobs easier, makes the patients more comfortable, it improves our ability to diagnose things visually, it improves the entire workplace.
Cree LED luminaires also offer dimming functionality, allowing staff to adjust levels from maximum illumination during treatment or to lower light levels while patients are recovering.
The lighting is true to life. It's bright, although it's dimmable, so it makes it easier to assess the patient under a number of different circumstances. The dimmability is important because we show patients x-rays inside the room, and it's important to be able to turn the lights down to better look at the computer monitor.
Cree LED lighting also features exceptional performance and efficiency, offering significant energy savings that put a lighter load on the operating budget than traditional fluorescent or incandescent solutions. With virtually no maintenance and Cree's industry-leading 10-year limited warranty, the decision to choose Cree was an easy one.
One of the benefits of LED lighting was the fact that it doesn't generate heat the way fluorescents and other lights do. As a result, they were able to reduce the load requirements on the HVAC systems. Not only has Cree helped us reduce the maintenance and cost to replace lights, according to our engineers, this has significantly reduced our energy bills.
Cree LED fixtures provide high-quality illumination that gives healthcare facilities an entirely new lighting experience.
The response from staff and patients has been very positive. The staff has been very excited about the fact that the light is bright and fresh. It doesn't provide the glare that the fluorescent lights provide oftentimes when they're working on patients, and provides them a better aspect of what they're looking at and helping start IVs.
With the help of Cree LED lighting, Raleigh Orthopedic Clinic's patients can receive high-quality, personalized care in a pleasant, healing environment for many years to come.
One of the factors that I enjoy about the Cree lighting is the fact that when you walk in, it's a nice, comfortable light. There was a white light, which I felt was important as it relates to the images that doctors are looking at when they are evaluating patients. And also, I think it's a warm and friendly light that helps patients feel more comfortable in the settings, especially when they're coming in maybe a little bit apprehensive about the procedure they may be having.
We've been very pleased with our choice of Cree lighting. It's true life color. It's brighter, it's quieter, it's cleaner, it requires less maintenance, so it's just easier for us to manage. It has been essentially problem-free. It's been an easy choice, one we haven't regretted.
Join the many healthcare providers across the country who have realized that LED lighting is the clear choice now.